Before a bioretention system can be installed, the contributing drainage area, or the area where runoff rainwater will eventually enter the system, must be stabilized with vegetation. Then, the excavation for the bioretention area is made according to design depth and dimensions. Geotextile fabric is lined across the sides of the bioretention area, and then the first layer, the stone, is installed from the bottom, with the amount based on the design specifications. During this process, the underdrain pipe will be installed as well. The media, consisting of soil, sand, and organic material that acts as the primary filtering medium, is what makes up most of the underground part of the system. The media is installed in 12-inch increments until the desired top of the system's area is reached. This is done over the course of several days to keep the media from settling. The above ground area is then prepared for the proper vegetation to be installed by having planting holes made. The surface cover, usually mulch, riverstone, or turf, is used to top off the system's main filtering area. Finally, the necessary vegetation, as intended by the design, is installed. Vegetation should be actively watered during periods of no rain for 2 months after installation. Exact is your go-to partner for your stormwater management needs. With our innovation and expertise in stormwater management, let's work together to make a lasting impact.